Unveiling Adoration, the depth of deep affection. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the beautiful world of English language expressions, and our star for today is adoration. Ever heard of it? Even if you have, by the end of this video, you'll grasp its profound essence. So, let's get started. Adoration is a noun that refers to a deep love and respect. It's more than just a liking or a crush. Imagine the most powerful, devoted love and respect you can think of. That's adoration. Think of the way some people might look at their role model, a cherished piece of art, or even a religious figure. That intense admiration and reverence, that's adoration. You might ask, isn't adoration the same as love? Not quite. While all adoration involves love, not all love is adoration. Adoration is a more intense form of love. It encompasses not just affection, but also deep respect, admiration, and reverence. It's that overwhelming feeling of awe and veneration. If love is a candle, think of adoration as a blazing bonfire. Want to use adoration in your conversations? Here are some examples. 1. She looked at the painting with adoration, moved by its beauty. 2. His adoration for his mentor was evident in the way he spoke about him. 3. The fans' adoration for the singer was palpable at the concert. There you have it, the world of adoration, unwrapped for you. Next time you come across this word, or better yet, experience this emotion, you'll know just how deep and profound it is. Hope you found this explainer enlightening. Until next time, keep learning and loving the beauty of the English language.